Here in this anime, we have a main character whose name is Hinata Shoyo. And there is something about Hinata Shoyo that just hits different because it's not even strong. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि वो हमेशा जीतता है, but because it starts somewhere जहाँ पे majority of the people quit कर देते हैं. And this anime is all about volleyball. And volleyball is all about height, jumps, tosses, spikers, libero and all these things. And Hinata Shoyo is a character जिसके पास height ही नहीं है. वो बहुत short है. उसके पास कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है एंड पूरे स्कूल लाइफ में उसके पास कोई टीम नहीं रही है. ही जस्ट हैड पैशन दैट ही वांट टू प्ले वॉलीबॉल. उसने एक पर्सन को देखा टेलीविजन पर खेलते हुए. आफ्टर दैट ही वाज जस्ट क्रेजी कि भाई आई वांट टू बी लाइक हिम, आई वांट टू प्ले वॉलीबॉल. उसके स्कूल में बॉयज़ की वॉलीबॉल की टीम नहीं होती, गर्ल्स की टीम होती है एंड उनके साथ ही वो जाता है, उनके साथ प्रैक्टिस करता है, खेलता है. एंड जब जिम्नेशियम खाली होता है तो अकेला रहता है. बॉल पे वो अपनी बॉल फेंकता है, अपने स्पाइक करता है, अपने टॉस लेता है, खुद ही अपने आप से सब कुछ करता है वो, ठीक है. एंड वेन एवर हिज फ्रेंड्स आर फ्री, जो अलग क्लब में होते हैं, वो उनको बुलाता है, उनको बोलते हैं कि प्लीज टॉस फॉर मी, मेरे लिए टॉस कर दो, मुझे एक स्पाइक मारना है. इट्स वेरी हार्ड फॉर हिम टू इवन प्रैक्टिस ऑल बाय हिमसेल्फ. ओके, बिकॉज वॉलीबॉल इज अ टीम स्पोर्ट, यू कांट डू ऑल द थिंग्स बाय योरसेल्फ. फाइनली वो एक मैच प्ले करता है एंड इट वाज हिज फर्स्ट मैच इन हिज लाइफ. और वो एक खुद टीम बनाता है. उसके फ्रेंड्स होते हैं बस, जो बस उसके लिए आ जाते हैं खेलने के लिए. एंड उस मैच में वो एक और पर्सन से मिलता है जो उसके अगेंस्ट खेल रहा होता है. उसका नाम होता है कागेयामा. ये बहुत बुरा हारते हैं, ठीक है. बट ये एक स्पार्क दिखा देता है लोगों को कि हाँ भाई, दिस गाय इज प्रॉमिसिंग. स्टिल उसके पास कोई टीम नहीं होती, कोई कुछ नहीं होता. पूरे स्कूल लाइफ वो अकेला होता है. बस एक खाली जिम, एक डस्टी बॉल और just a dream that is too big for his body. But if you speak, yeah, that's how all the winners are made. In quietness, in pain, in loneliness, where the only person they have is themselves to support them. The first thing that Haikyuu teaches through Hinata is that, bro, you don't need perfect condition to begin. You just need courage to start with whatever you have at the current moment. I have divided this video into multiple parts. The first part is about the boy who had every reason to give up, but he didn't. In this sport, majority of the guys would have stopped, knowing that they are not tall. But in this case, in this anime, not Hinata. He did not stop. He knew that he's short. Everyone keep telling him that you are very short. You won't be able to play. You won't be able to become a spiker. You won't be able to become an ace. Okay. But he didn't stop. Although he had every reason to give up. बट ही डिडंट. टेलीविजन पे देखा कि जो बंदा वो प्ले कर रहा है, जो बंदा उड़ रहा है बेसिकली हवा में, ओके, बॉल को स्पाइक करने के लिए, वो भी स्मॉल है. उसकी हाइट भी छोटी है, राइट. ही इज ऑल्सो शॉर्ट बट ही इज ऑल्सो प्लेइंग, राइट. एवरीवन इज शाउटिंग फॉर हिम, एवरीवन इज प्रेजिंग हिम दैट ही इज प्लेइंग गुड एज वेल. वो टेलीविजन पे देखने के बाद, okay, that one glimpse was enough to make a foundation for his entire journey in volleyball. उसने ये नहीं बोला कि I can't do it, I cannot be him. He said if you can do it, then I'll find my way too. And by the real life works the same for us. Sometimes all you need is the proof that someone like you made it through life. Someone might be in your situation right now, who is pushing his luck right now, who is pushing very hard in his life, and he is gonna make it. Majority of the people who were in your situation made it in life, who now have everything they once dreamed about, who are now having the things that you dream about right now. They were in your situation, they did it, they worked hard for it. They didn't say कि I can't do it. They said if all the people are doing in the world, मैं भी अपना way find कर लूँगा, मैं भी कर लूँगा. And that's where we come to the part where it says weakness is not a curse. Season 1 is full of doubts about him, about Hinata Shoyo. It was all doubts. Too short, too inexperienced, too naive. But Hinata does not deny his weakness. उसने deny नहीं करा कि भाई मैं weak हूँ. He knows that he is weak. But he bends it, he weaponizes it. उसने उस weakness को अपने advantage के लिए use करा. He was short, but he knows how to jump. He was very athletic, he was very fast, and he knows how to jump. So he bends his weakness into his weapon. जब सब लोग ने height को as a power देखा, Hinata uses his speed, his intuition, his instinct, his reflexes, okay, and his athletic body. He's using every single thing that he have to his advantage. He's not focusing on his weakness. He cannot change his height, right? You are able to do that when you are purely obsessed with the thing that you want to achieve in life. And that moment when they were having a match, with the neighborhood association, I think that's their name. Kageyama just gave him a very fast toss, and he just jumps as fast as he can, okay, as high as he can. He just jumps, and Hinata jumps blindly without thinking anything. That was not luck. That was trust. That was preparation, and that was hunger. And like there's a saying that hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So like no matter bro you are in which situation, okay, there might be a lot of talented people, there might be a lot of naturally gifted people in the world, okay, but you have to be grateful for what you have. You have to work with what you have right now. You cannot change things, okay. A miracle won't happen like that. Hinata didn't pray for talent. He built what he needed with his bare hands, with his own hands, with his own hard work. Here we can see that Hinata's mindset is his power. Most people see a wall and they feel discouraged that there's an obstacle. Maybe I won't be able to do that. Hinata's mindset is like, oh, there's a wall. Okay, there's something to climb then. This is a mindset that we should have. It's the only thing that should push you towards making an effort to climb that wall. He's having every single disadvantage in the volleyball match. अगर वो लर्न कर लेगा कि जंप कैसे करते हैं, ओके, देयर विल बी ब्लॉकर्स अहेड. अगर वो स्पाइक करना सीख जाएगा तो देयर विल बी सर्वर्स जिनके वो सर्व रिसीव नहीं कर पाएगा, okay. And there's a saying that the top of one mountain is the bottom of the next. If you will climb one mountain, if you're at the top of one mountain, okay, तो उससे भी बड़ा mountain होगा. And ये चीज़ हमें सिखाती है कि यार in every single phase of life there's an always opportunity for you to grow, to work hard, and it never stops. In each phase of life you're just growing, you're just learning, you're just building yourself. And for him, the moment he masters one skill, he looks for the other one, okay. The moment he overcomes one fear, he goes to the next one. He doesn't run, he adapts, he learns, and he just pushes forward. This is the part where Hinata just goes from being a character to being a lesson. Because he just shows us that your limits are there not to stop you, they are there to shape you into a greater personality. Lastly, by the end of season 1, there is this match that totally breaks him. And this is the match with Aoba Jose. And I hope I'm pronouncing this right. So this is the match with Aoba Jose where Karasuno हार जाती है, ओके, जो हिनाटा की टीम होती है वो हार जाती है आफ्टर ट्राइंग अ लॉट, आफ्टर वर्किंग हार्ड. बस एक पॉइंट से वो रह जाते हैं. बहुत क्लोज मैच होता है वो. हिनाटा अपना पूरा बेस्ट देता है. ही जंप्स द हाईएस्ट, ही प्लेज हिज बेस्ट, he does every single thing that he could, okay, to win that match. But still उसकी टीम हार जाती है, वो हार जाता है. बट एट दैट पॉइंट ग्रीफ होती है. सब सैड होते हैं, बुरा मान रहे होते हैं, ओके. उनके पास कुछ होता नहीं है, वो बस अपने स्कूल जाते हैं एंड उनको 2 दिन का ऑफ मिल जाता है ट्रेनिंग से. ही डज नॉट से कि वाई मी, दिस इजंट फेयर. देयर इज दिस थिंग जो कागयामा उसको फर्स्ट एपिसोड में बोलता है जब उसका मैच होता है कागयामा से. कागयामा उसको एक चीज़ बोलता है कि द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट इज द वन हु स्टेज इन द कोर्ट. जो स्ट्रांग है वही कोर्ट में रहता है. एंड दे नो इट. वो लोग हारे हैं ओबा जोसे से. दैट मीन्स कि वो लोग स्ट्रांग है, okay, and they were weak at that moment. That's the only reason they lost. He looks at Kageyama and says, that was really frustrating. I don't want to lose, I want to win. Let's practice, let's practice a lot. Okay, they were very frustrated. वो बहुत ज़्यादा frustrated हो रहे हैं. वो लोग भाई पूरे जिम्नेशियम में चिल्लाते हैं कि why they lost, why they were weak, okay, and they were very frustrated, and that sets the tone. After that they starts preparing for a championship. पूरी टीम आती है and they practice again, they start practicing again. कोई बात नहीं, हार गए, they will come back stronger. That is the kind of attitude that each one of us should be having in life. And भाई यही चीज़ है हिनाटा के बारे में that is very dangerous. Losing, pain, that does not scare him, that is the motivation for him to go higher. And we should have an attitude like that. We are often losing in life, okay, but that should just motivate you to push harder. And that is something that every great person learns, that you don't rise by avoiding failure, you rise by overcoming it. Every jump is him proving that limits are only real when you accept them. And हमें ये सब सुन के ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि यार हिनाटा fearless है ना, हिनाटा को किसी चीज़ डर ही नहीं लगता, he just know how to push forward. नहीं भाई, पूरे हाईक्यू में ओके जितने उन्होंने विन नहीं दिखाई है उससे ज़्यादा उनके लॉसेस दिखाया उन्होंने। ओके सबके आंसू दिखाए हैं, सबका हार्डवर्क दिखाया है, ओके सबके फेलियर दिखाया है। So it is not that Hinata is fearless. No matter who is he against, he is always there to jump. You know why greatness is not about confidence. It's about willingness. Willingness to work hard, willingness to look stupid, willingness to actually showing up, willingness to jump, willingness to try again when everyone tells you that you can't do it. And lastly, Hinata हमें एक चीज़ सिखाता है यार कि you don't need all the advantages in life to succeed. You don't have to be tall to jump. Start with nothing, build with every single thing. Just face your fears and rise above the losses. And always climb every mountain knowing that there is another one to climb after that. And that is how real winners are made. Not through giving up, not through saying that I can't do it, but saying that if the other person has done it before, I'll find my own way to do it as well. That's how the real winners are made. Not through gifts, not through real talent, but through sheer hard work, just like Hinata. Yep. That is for the video, guys, and I will be making more videos about Haikyuu because this is just the season 1 that I have watched, and this is about Hinata only. And there are a lot of characters who has a lot of thing to teach us about life. This is just the first video. I will be making more, and you'll be getting more videos about Haikyuu in the future. And this is my second time rewatching it. So if you want to watch Haikyuu, please do it, and it's a very good experience. So yep, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless you. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.